Thank you for joining us today. We have a song and a story for you, and we decided to use our instruments today to do our song. Are you ready? Praise Him, praise Him, like children. God is love, God is love. Praise Him, all little children. God is love, God is love. Love Him, all little children. God is love, God is love. Love Him, all little children. God is love, God is love. Serve Him, all little children. God is love, God is love. Serve Him, all little children. God is love, God is love. I do this with my two, and I play this guitar. I see you playing the guitar. I like that. Yeah. All Aboard, a true train story. Words and photographs by Susan Cucklin. The 5 Durango and Silverton narrow gauge steam engines in this story are still in operation today. They were photographed at various locations along their route in the Colorado Rocky Mountains. All aboard! Turn the page and step back to a time when narrow gauge steam engines clickety-clacked along the historic San Juan wilderness. Ring the bell! All aboard! Woo-woo! Ready to go! Fire blazing, water steaming, chugga-chugga! Wheels rolling. Lights blinking, signs warning, clickety-clack! Railroad crossing. Along the track, chugga-chugga, clickety-clack, along the track. Through the field, mighty train, clickety-clack, along the track. Going back, along the track, clickety-clack, along the track. At the station, smokestack clean, squeak, squeak, just like new. Day ends, turn the train, shh, shh, rest stop.
Back on the track.
Ring the bell, all aboard, woo! Ready to go.
That popcorn book.
All aboard, a true train story. Should we do the popcorn book, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
It says how God gives us popcorn. This is kind of a funny book in our house. Nathaniel and I really enjoy popcorn, but Daddy's not as fond as popcorn. So we like to make it out to be a fun joke. But we're thankful that God gives us popcorn, aren't we, Nathaniel?
Okay.
God Gives Us Popcorn, written by Henrietta Gamble. Illustrated by Catherine Hutton. God gives us crunchy, munchy popcorn to eat and enjoy. Like magic, it pops into a fluffy cloud of whiteness. People have enjoyed eating this fun food for a long time. The American Indians were eating popcorn long before Christopher Columbus came to the New World. The Indians popped their popcorn in clay pots filled with very hot sand. The hot sand made the popcorn pop. Columbus was surprised when he saw the Indians wearing necklaces and other jewelry made of popcorn. An Indian brought popcorn to the first Thanksgiving feast as a gift to the pilgrims. He carried it in a big deerskin bag. The Indian's name was Quataquina. He was the brother of the great Indian chief Massasoit. But popcorn is much older than the time of the American Indians and the Pilgrims. Some tiny little ears of popcorn were found in a cave in New Mexico by explorers. These ears were over 5,000 years old. Today, Americans eat millions of pounds of popcorn each year. Most of our popcorn is grown in just 4 states: Indiana, Ohio, Nebraska, and Iowa. These states are in the Great Corn Belt in the middle of the United States. Popcorn is planted in the springtime in God's rich, moist soil. Then God's warm sunshine, gentle wet raindrops, and soft windy breezes make the popcorn grow. It grows for about 6 months until the kernels have just the right amount of moisture in them. Then sometime in October, the popcorn is harvested. Nathaniel, what is this?
A tractor.
Oh, but look at it. Is it more than a tractor?
Yeah.
Kind of like a...
Tractor.
Yeah, with maybe kind of a combine attachment. What do you think? It's harvesting the popcorn.
Yeah.
The moisture or wetness inside the kernel is what makes the popcorn pop. When popcorn is heated, the moisture inside the kernel turns into steam. The steam in the kernels gets hotter and hotter until suddenly, pop, pop, pop! The kernels explode and turn inside out. Then we have crunchy, munchy, white goodness we love to eat. Popcorn. Popcorn note. Popcorn should always be stored in an airtight container. Then a good place to keep it is in the refrigerator so the kernels will not lose their moisture. Thank you, God, for popcorn so white, light, and fluffy, a fun-filled delight. How God Gives Us Popcorn, a Happy Day book. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our song and story today. We'll see you next time.